Yeah, so it'd be nice to finalize the suspension on this and get the ride height set right. I don't know, the current's pretty strong right here. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Oh yeah. It's gonna take more rock than that to stop me. We're loaded up. We're gonna ride dirty. I'm not even gonna strap the D110 down. Got him sitting in the bed of the truck there. So we're just gonna ride it, and we're not going too far. Plus I like to see how it does without any straps on it. How much bouncing and stuff it does. Ran across some mud here. Let's see how it does in the mud. Oh wow, shoot, it's not that muddy. I barely got the tires muddy. Stuck on them roots there. There it goes, power over. We can't make it through this root gauntlet over here. Oh yeah. Let's see how this thing will pull through the grass a little bit. Pulled it around through the yard, did pretty good, but this is pretty intense. Now I know it's not going to make it back up this hill because this hill is pretty steep. Well, we all know the brakes are really good on the Atlas. Oh, all right. Not bad, not bad. Oh, trailer snagged on something. Give her a little push there. Might just be a little too rough down here for the trailer. All right, well, let me get this thing here undone, and let's play in this water some and shake this D110 down.